Welcome back to Zero Sum, your daily shot of insight on markets, business, and big ideas in just 2 minutes. In today's episode, we're discussing a tectonic shift happening in India's savings landscape. How SIPs are not just an investment tool anymore, but the engine driving India's structural shift towards financial assets. दोस्तों, अगर आपको लगता है कि म्यूचुअल फंड्स अभी भी मेट्रो सिटीज का खेल है, then it's time to snap out of it. In the last 10 years, India's mutual fund industry grew 5.5x, taking total AUM from 12 trillion rupees to a staggering 66.7 trillion rupees as of March 2025. That's a 19% CAGR. But here's what's even more interesting. Active equity AUM grew at 27% CAGR and is expected to grow another 20% CAGR over the medium term. What's driving this? One word: SIPs. Monthly SIP inflows have tripled from rupees 80 billion during FY 19 to 21 to an all-time high of rupees 267 billion in May 2025. और खास बात यह है कि ये flows market volatility से नहीं घबराते. Even in the face of corrections and global tensions, investor behavior has matured. People are now treating market dips as buying opportunities, a behavioral shift that points to rising financial literacy. And this is not limited to T30 cities. B30 cities now contribute nearly 18% of industry AUM, and that number steadily rising thanks to digital-first platforms like Zerodha, Grow, and PhonePe. In fact, direct mutual fund plans have grown from 31% to 46% of AUM in the last decade, a clear sign that India's retail investor is getting smarter and going DIY. Let's throw in some numbers. SIP AUM alone stands at rupees 13.35 trillion. The total number of unique investors, 55 million, and projected to rise 5x to 263 million by 2047. AUM to GDP ratio is set to grow from 20% today to 112% by 2047. इसको ही तो कहते हैं अमृत काल, a golden era for asset management in India. Let's sum it up. Mutual funds are no longer a niche product. They are becoming the default savings vehicle for young aspirational India. And SIPs, they're not just systematic anymore, they're strategic. That's your 2-minute insight. Follow Zero Sum for more crisp takes on markets, business, and beyond. See you in the next one.